We are seeking to understand what disaster resilience looks like. We're particularly interested in modeling how university researchers can work with local community-based organizations to realize such a project both effectively and ethically. Our focus is on a historically underserved neighborhood in Savannah, Georgia called Hudson Hill. This is a neighborhood that's been disproportionately affected by a host of intersecting disasters that are normally not examined all together. Things like sea level rise, air and soil pollution, and of course the ongoing pandemic. We are developing and evaluating a new set of accessible, creative, and collaborative map-making tools that are going to enable youth, along with other groups in their community, to work together to identify resources and vulnerabilities from a combination of existing data and their own lived experiences.
From the standpoint of the Harambee House, part of the motivation for this project is to begin to address issues that have affected the west side of Savannah, the communities on the west side of Savannah for generations.
Youth are often left out of conversations, whether it be household questions or disaster resilience. They are not often at the table, and yet their perspectives are so powerful. And so our research during this planning phase really helped to identify youth as a sizable yet vulnerable part of the community there in Hudson Hill and Savannah's west side, where they really are significantly impacted by the consistent deluge of challenge.